Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 83 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are going to be doing exercises 130 and 131 in the chromatic scale.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So what I like about exercise 130 and 131 is it is showing the relationship in the throat between the major second and the minor second. So in the first exercise, we have going up in the C major scale. You hear that? Da, 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 da. Okay, and she actually has that we keep transposing this up. She doesn't say exactly where, but I would say stay in the middle voice. Don't, until you're very confident with the pitches, don't push the limits of the range yet until you know exactly where your throat is supposed to go. So we're going to do a couple of these on 130, and then we will do a couple on 131. And here is exercise 130. Exercise 131 does a similar thing, but we're coming down that C major scale and then modulating up. So we've got so these are actually completely different chromatics than 130. So you really might want to play this with yourself as you sing, because this is weird. It's crunchy. So we've got the first four notes are the major scale going down. Now here. Yeah? That's tricky, that major second there at the end. So just make sure that you really know what you're doing on each of these, okay? And here is exercise 131.